Okay, ready?
What happens is the tip of the blade touches the next piece of wood.
Are you starting it for me?
Yeah. It does jerk a little bit.
I'm such a weenie.
If you got your arm straight, look.
You gotta get back, Aries. Back,
Kind of
back,
keep your arm straight. Don't start the video yet. Keep your arm straight and kind of, stay back. You just want to, just stay common sense about it.
I will.
Don't overthink it, but I'll keep your left arm straight, but don't be shy. Bring him lower, pin him up, and walk
Okay.
it off.
All right, I got it.
I don't think I need to choke it.
Just keep Aries back.
I might need to choke it. Press it all the way down. Just in case you ever have to do this, watch.
Okay.
Push this down. I don't know why, don't ask me. I push that down to hold the trigger, press it all the way down and let off, and it stays down. Then when you start it, it turns itself. When you pull the trigger one time, no. Wait, stand here.